Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about lateral surface area. So what is lateral surface area? The lateral surface area of an object is all of the faces of the object, excluding its base and top. So not the top and the bottom. The lateral surface area is the area of the lateral surface. Okay, so remember it's just the sides of the shape, not the top or the bottom. So if we wanted to know how much glass would be needed to build the Louvre pyramid, okay, we would want to calculate the lateral surface area, since only the sides of it are made of glass, not the bottom. So when we're finding lateral surface area, remember we're just finding the area of the sides, okay, so not the bases. So we don't want the top or the bottom. Okay, so we can get rid of the bases, and we're looking for just the four faces of the shape. Okay, so remember, we want to fill out our formula table. Okay, so my faces, I have two separate sets of faces. Okay, I have what we could call the front and the back, which are the same, and then I have my two sides. Okay, so if we look at our shape, okay, the height of 6 connects the two bases. So this length should all be 6. That's the length that's connecting the two bases. Okay, so now I can break it up into my two different types of rectangles. Okay, my front and my back should be the same. Okay, so I have two rectangles that are 3 by 6. The rectangle formula, okay, our formula is A equals BH. So I need to identify my base and my height. Okay, so my base is 3, my height is 6. So I have to do 3 times 6 to get my area of 18. So I know that my front and back both have an area of 18. Now I need to find the area of my two sides. Okay, and so they have a base of 2 and a height of 6. Okay, so again, I still need to find my base and my height. My base is 2, my height is 6. To solve, it's a base times height. So 2 times 6 gets an area of 12. Okay, so now I need to add these four values together. So I have 18, 18, 12, and 12. Okay, so we get 16, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the lateral area, or the lateral surface area, would be 60 centimeters squared. And again, that's the area of the four sides. All right, so let's take a look at this square pyramid. Okay, so remember, if we're finding the lateral surface area, we're not finding the area of the base. Okay, so here I have 4 triangles that all look the same. So if I draw my triangle, it has a height of 13, okay, and a base. Okay, each bottom of those triangles is 12. Okay, so to solve it, I have to use the formula for a triangle, half base times height. So to set it up, I have half. I need to find my base, find my height. Okay, my base is 12. My height is 13. So I need to do half. 12 times 13. Okay, so 12 times 13 is 156, and half of that, okay, gets our area to be 78. Okay, so each triangular side has an area of 78. So we want to add all those together, or we could multiply by 4. Okay, and we're going to end up with 312. So the lateral area is 312 square centimeters. 312. All right, so look in here. Okay, we first need to figure out what's the base. Okay, so we need to know, what is this shape called? So I have 2 triangular sides and 3 rectangular sides. So this is a triangular prism. And remember, the 2 triangles are going to be the bases. So when we're trying to find the lateral surface area, we want to find the area of the 3 rectangular sides. So look in here, we actually have 3 different rectangular sides. So we need to find the area of all 3. So my first one has a base of 4 and a height of 3. So a rectangle is base times height. So my base is 4, my height is 3. So 4 times 3 equals 12. So this one has an area of 12. Okay, next we have our middle one. And if I look at the bottom, it's 3. If I try and find the height, it should also be 3. So when we have a square, it's still base times height, or just side times side. So I have 3 and 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, and then we have a third rectangle. With a bottom of 5, and again, a side of 3. So area equals base times height. The base is 5, the height is 3, and 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so to find our lateral area, we want to add our 3 numbers together. So 12 plus 9 plus 15. Okay, gets us a lateral area of 36 square centimeters. All right, so remembering the difference, lateral is just the sides of the shape, not the bases. And when we're finding total surface area, we're finding all of them. All right, so that's it for today's lesson. Have a good day.